Welcome to the Sink Cleaning Guide by Lipka. Today we are going to talk about how to clean and maintain your quartz sink. For daily maintenance, use non-abrasive cleaners like soft cleanser, soft scrub pad and gentle soap. You can easily get these items from e-commerce site or any shop. To eliminate water spot, use vinegar, spray it on and leave it for 30 minutes. Then scrub it away. For tough hard water stains, rely on lime containing products. Put it on for 1 hour, scrub the stains away and wash thoroughly. If you prefer natural options, vinegar works wonders. Spray, wait, scrub and rinse for a shinier sink. Maintain your sink's shiny surface with mineral oils. Apply regularly to prevent mineral buildup. To avoid scratch marks, use soft scrub pad to safeguard your sink and bid farewell to those unsightly marks. Remember what not to use to protect your sink's finish. Steel wood, bleach, ammonia, caustic solutions and acids. For a sparkling kitchen, follow Lipka's Sink Cleaning Guide. Visit lipka.com for more tips and solutions. For more such videos, like,